Hello, my name is Nitin. I just received the pre-release of DAISY 8 R&D module version 1.2. In a previous video, I explored version 1.0 and found it invaluable for custom applications using the DAISY 8 robotic scanning system. This new version introduces several new features that I will be evaluating today. One of the main features I have been eagerly waiting for is the integration of the advanced MACPI 8H3D E3D probe. This extends the system's frequency range down to 3 kHz, allowing for frequency selective measurements across the 3 kHz to 10 MHz band. Another key upgrade in this release is the ability to import measurements directly into SIM4 Life for validation of simulation models. For example, I have designed this antenna and optimized it with SIM4 Life. I have fabricated the prototype and now want to validate the simulation by measuring its magnetic field response. I now connect the antenna to the source to establish a connection to the MACPI device. The updated module R&D now includes a command specifically for configuring the connected MACPI probe. Users can then choose any individual magnetic or electric field sensor from the probe, while the software automatically detects the peak frequency within the specified range, providing maximum flexibility for customizing measurements according to specific requirements. I select one sensor and establish the connection to the device. Once completed, I execute the MACPI snapshot scan, which captures a complete time and frequency domain snapshot at the current probe location. As you can see, our source shows a main harmonic at 400 kHz. Now, we will conduct a volume scan over a 100 into 100 into 50 millimeter grid with 5 millimeter resolution on XY and at 8.5 millimeter from the source. I will set the system to automatically export the measurement results to a CSV file once the scan is complete. Let us start the measurements. I will speed up the video. The measurements are complete. We can now visualize the data in the Jupyter Notebook. To review the H total, Hx, Hy and Hz values across the XY, XZ and YZ planes. Next, I will switch to SIM4 Life and run a script to import the CSV data from module R&D directly into our simulation project. I have extracted the H field data along a coil diameter from both the simulation and the measurement results. As you can see, the patterns match closely, with the peak amplitudes differing by less than 0.5 dB. This confirms that my simulation model is well validated. Module R&D has been instrumental in a variety of custom applications, not only for validation, but for example, for scanning printed circuit boards, for electromagnetic compatibility, characterizing field generators like the transverse electromagnetic cells and Helmholtz coils, and many more. The latest version 1.2 adds MACPI, and according to my limited experience, it works as smoothly as advertised by SPIAG. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this evaluation of the new DAISY 8 R&D module informative